what's up, guys? See if we can catch a fish today, right? Hopefully it's not too windy on the water. We're gonna be fishing out of the kayak. Maybe catch a bass, maybe catch a musky. We'll see. Be nice. Last weekend I missed a really big musky. Had him on for a little bit. Somehow, maybe I just never had him hooked. But I'm gonna go up there and try to catch something for you guys. Make a video, hopefully. Maybe this year will be a good year for fishing. Hey, I might be able to use a little help. You guys got a net? Woo! Come here. Got him. Holy shit. Woo.
That is a hog now.
Dude, that'd be my biggest fish of my life right there.
That is a big musky, buddy.
Woo! I was just bass fishing, man.
I know, right?
Holy crap. All right.
I heard you say that. You okay?
Yeah.
I heard you say that.
Didn't expect that. Whew. Shit.
That's awesome. You got for a needle over anything? Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Luckily, I think I barely got him too, but whew, thank you. I'm gonna hold him up. Here. Holy shit. Whew. Hold up. Oh my God, man.